Hey guys, Super Chainsaw Slicer 25 here. I'm sweating. It's hot AF up here. And yeah, today we're doing our Try Not to Laugh challenge by reacting to unusual memes. So let's get it started.
Fuck off.
Så eller And as I figured out the hard way, be mindful where you put your camera and tripod when filming a grizzly being returned to the wild.
The heck was that? That guy got triggered. Yeah, I know you guys might be saying, yeah, trigger is outrated. Don't say nothing there. I don't know. That did not count. That laugh did not count. Neither did that one. My ear's itchy.
YouTube, and I'd probably get like me and my sister did that. A million hits.
Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, the new Sonic is here, and he's not a hedgehog. It's been confirmed that he is a dog. Okay, I don't know what that was.
Have you ever been sick? Yeah. What kinds of sickness? Cancer.
Spelling's dangerous. Keep your distance.
Spelling's dangerous. Keep your distance.
Hey, he warned him, keep his distance. I love huskies, they're so cute.
Kom.
Dank zeker lezen.
Ja. Wel 3 minuten.
Asal una gracia, saca la lengua, no sé.
Jerry, stop! Don't put that car in the pool! Jerry!
Jerry, some dead. Note to self, don't give a monkey a gun. or any type of ape. I said kipe. Wow, real good, Chainsaw Slicer. Good one. Shut up.
That's boom.
Yo, that was actually pretty sick. I am not gonna lie. Oh, look at the little kitty. Kit. I know how to speak English, okay? Oh, it's a kitty calling neighbor dog.
Charlie, give Daddy the knife. Charlie, give, thank you.
My boy finna get his dick cut off.
Y'all, my little brother is fucking body. Ew.
God.
His body is nasty as hell. Do it again.
Sorry that I blocked that. I don't like seeing that kind of stuff.
No, I can't wait to get out of here. I see you at the movies. I see you with your lips.
Hello.
Hi.
What's your name?
Malachi.
How old are you, Malachi? And where are you from? Who are you with? Are you a bit nervous? All right, Malachi. Good luck.
She took the ball. Juan Miranda tried to give it to the little gal.
Whoever stole that girl... Hold on. Thank you. Whoever stole that ball from that little girl, you're a dick. Pardon my language, but it had to been said. Dang it! I get 2 lives. That's 1 taken off. I have 1 more life. Considered that I lost that bird flopping around in the sound effects. Whoever did that, brilliant job. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. And if you don't know where I'm at, I am in my gaming room. Took me months to make this. And yeah. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention that it's getting close to Christmas. If you have any loved ones, get cuddled with them. If you know what I mean, giggity. Okay, that took it too far. Hope you all enjoyed, and see you guys in the next video. And yeah, peace.